Memorable.
Enjoyable.
Ang saya!
Fabulous.
Exciting.
Masaya.
Amazing!
Napakasaya.
So we know Alcor has been doing dairy products for decades already. And they're known for high quality butter, milk, cream, and other products. And in my years of baking, I have come to trust their name as one of the best in the world.
Napakasaya ko today kasi to experience ito sa Bailiwick Academy, marami akong natutunan. Ang galing.
I can recommend it to other students kasi tinuturo talaga kung ano yung mga dapat, mga tips and other things pa. Not only about the topic, pero dun din about the business.
Next time, sumali kayo dito sa TBA event kasi talagang may enjoy ka. Pinagpupunas pa nga po kami, oh.